Welcome to this episode of FishNGrillz. It's my homeboy Keone's birthday today. We're gonna wrap some fish, hang out with the boys, have a good time. Hope y'all stick around.
Stay tuned!
Yes, sir. Tuning in for this episode of FishNGrillz. Welcome back, everybody. So I checked out a spot before this spot. It was kind of dirty, so we came over here more towards town side. It was more clear, a little bit more calm, and yeah, there's some fish over here. So we're there getting all my gear ready, regulation size floater to let you know that let the boats know that you're around so they don't run you over. And I usually bring 1 3-prong and 1 gun with me. It kind of opens up your options. 3 prongs are more for a close range. With gun, bigger range, bigger fish. So always gotta have that just in case. And then I'm using Kai Spears, Kai Custom Spears, locally branded company. One of the top, the best 3 prongs in the market right now today, hands down. It's super light, hits hard, the perfect balance. If you don't have one, go check them out at Kai Custom Spears on Instagram. Shoot them a DM, tell them the FishNGrillz boy sent you, and yeah, you'll have one of the best 3 prongs in your hand. So we're there jumping in the water, looks clear, pretty calm, some waves outside, but the fish is right outside of the breakers, so yeah, it's not too bad. So the target fish today is right now pretty much open for anything. Couple fryers, and outside this spot is a lot of black triggers, and I'll show you in a bit how much black triggers is out there. So over there, as you can see, I shot 2, and yeah, that thing almost bit my finger off because these things eat on coral and other things in the ocean, and these things can bite your finger off real quick. So right there, I'm going to show you a quick way to dispatch them. So I'll make a small slit over here. I didn't have a knife. I shouldn't have a knife on me. I didn't have one on me today. So make a small slit using the spear. And from here, with a little bit elbow grease, a little bit technique, rip the head right off. It dispatches them real quick, and they can't bite you without a head. So win-win. Right, as you see the pull apart technique, a little bit twist, head off, onto the stringer. Well, you want to go with a partner, but the boys are catching some footage on shore, so I was only going to be an hour, so I'll be alright. So after I rip this next one's head off, I'm going to catch a few more. Same thing, bring it to the front of the spear. So much triggers out there. If you're out there diving one day, you see a bunch of triggers, try shoot a few. Try it out, you'll be surprised. Very nice, clean meat, not too fishy, and there's so much things you can do with it. So right there, small slit. Rip and rip. Off goes the head. Alright, let's go catch a few more. Head back to shore. Let's head to the party. Shoots. black hoggy, aka triggerfish. So I've actually ripped the head off in the water because they do have the tendency to bite even after being strung up. So I rip off the head in the water. What we're gonna do now is rip off the skin. It's like a thick armor. Make one slice, rip it off. One thing about the black triggerfish, they're native to Hawaii. They're not known as a selective fish in Hawaii. No one really shoots them. No one really thinks they're edible. But very nice, firm, clean meat. You can do anything with them. They're actually pretty popular in other parts of the world, like Mexico. They make really good ceviche with the triggerfishes up in Mexico. So really nice, firm, clean meat, and pretty easy to clean. All you gotta do is just rip off the head, rip off the skin, fillet it. There's a few bones in there, and there's a lot of things you can do with it. Alright, here we have is Christmas wrasse. We're just gonna gut it because we're gonna experiment with the scales on. We're gonna deep fry the scales, see how that comes out, probably come on little chips. And then, yeah, go from there.
Oh, FishNGrillz. Hey, so what kind of fish is this, man?
So this one is actually called a convict tang, but we call it down here manini. So this is a black-tailed snapper, but we call it down here towal. And then this one right here is a white becket. So this is a white goatfish. See the goatfish?
Oh, nice. Oh, yeah, I like that.
And this is a pawpaw rockfish. And this is the one I caught this morning. Is a Christmas wrasse.
Christmas wrasse.
So it's related to the parrotfish. Parrotfish family. Yeah. So this one we're gonna experiment. I left the scales on. We're gonna try to fry it with the scales on and see how it comes out. Because scales fried crispy could come out like chips.
I like that.
Yeah, nice pretty fish.
Local fish and chips.
Yes, sir.
Right, so we got the grill set up. We put the coals on the top so I could feed the fire underneath. Once the coals on the bottom get hot, the fire goes up and it sets the coals just right.
So this is the triggerfish that we pepped earlier. I'm gonna top it with some Hawaii famous hululi sauce and some rosemary that's grown in my backyard for the past few years. Let it sit, marinate, throw it on the grill.
I was kind of like the notion when I was kind of looking at it, more good. I'm like, oh yeah, I'm cooking it up for shit.
We got our hoggies soaked already, so we're gonna start putting them on the grill. We also got some taco legs, so we're just gonna grill them out a little bit. Get ready to eat.
deep fry. Let's grab it. Yo, it comes out. First batch just got done. We're gonna do the birthday boy try, see if it's edible. KQ, this is for you.
You surprised me with this one. Ow! Hot! Okay, redo that. Yeah, he can handle. Get the birthday boy power. No, good. Definitely good. Beep! It is hot, but it's delicious. Awesome. Thank you guys. FishNGrillz. Birthday boy approved. Oh, that's ready. Good to go.
That was good.
Citrusy zest to it.
It has that like snappy, like shrimp kind of texture. This shit good. This shit good as fuck. Chicken
Yeah,
shrimp.
try square off one.
Yeah.
Either one.
Yeah, you.
Took the bones, but grab it by like the section.
It tastes good, right?
Chev, do you have a card?
My wallet, I think. Anyone in your car? My bad. This is what I want to try. Some of the scales.
And it's like fresh caught, like just like this morning too.
Oh yeah.
How's that one taste? Yeah.
Oh, that thing is amazing.
Can you break me up?
Can you film yourself?
Just kidding.
It's already that. That one's not a wide.
Go.
Dude, that's good.
Oh no, that's not my last card.
Dude,
Yeah, we're on YouTube and Instagram.
like the skin is so good.
If you want to look it up.
It is.
We go spearfishing.
It tastes just like chicken, but like soft and pillowy.
Mahalo everybody for sticking around. We had a blast.
Good times, good grinds, with good people, always. And stay tuned for the next episode of
FishNGrillz!